Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a route to your favorites on the OS Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select a route either by typing in a location into the search bar, then tap on plot new route. Here you can select it and tap on save when you are done. Select the route type. Select the next location and here you can see it. Tap on the save button, type in the route name and click on save route after selecting these options, and as you scroll down you can add it to your favorites by tapping on this heart icon, and as you go back and tap on the menu icon at the top you can tap on routes at the top and click on my favorite routes, and here you can see the route that has been added to this section. So here you can see the details, and if you want to remove it from your list, just tap on the heart icon again and it will disappear from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.